Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Text. So today we are going to talk about annotation in GGPlot. So in most of cases for text on your plot you are going to use labels, but sometimes with labels you could experience limitations. And for that very reason we have function Annotate that is going to allow you to put your text anywhere in your plot you want. And first let me show you what we already have in here. So in first line I have imported our GGPlot2 library, and with this second line I have imported data from my CSV file, and in third line we are dealing with column names. And with this statement what I'm doing, I'm actually filtering this data frame to include only first observation. Now our data is going to be printed to the screen. Let me show you what we have. So we have only one observation, we have 5 places, we have 4 altitudes, and we are measuring temperature 3 times a day. In here with GGPlot I have provided our data as a source of data, and I've created geom bar. With aesthetics on x-axis we have altitude, then on y-axis we have a value of P1, so first measurement. We are using fill color in regards of place, so in regards of this second column, stat identity of course because we are dealing with value not with count, position dodge, and color black for borders of our bars. And in here I have team legend position none, so I don't want a legend on my plot. And now let's say that we want to put our text in here diagonal. I am going to use function Annotate, and let's put some space in here because we are dealing with a lot of arguments. So on X I want to be on position 1, on y-axis I want to be in here, let's say, so that is like 17. Of course geom must be text, and actual text is going to be provided with parameter label. Let's say first altitude. Size of our text is going to be, let's say, 3. That is quite enough, I believe. And now angle. This angle is, I believe, 45 degrees. Let's try it. We are going to tweak that later. So with argument angle we are going to say 45 degrees. And now family. This is actual font you want to use. So for this case I'm going to use Noto Mono, but you can use any font you have installed on your system. And let's say color of our text is going to be, I would use red, but you could use any color you want. Okay, let's try with this. I guess I have some typo. Yes, it's 2 N's. Annotate. You see, we have our text in here. Okay, let's tweak these settings a little bit. So I want my text to be more to the left. 0.85 it's fine. Y17 it's fine, and instead of 45 let's go with 40, and size 3 it's just fine. Run it again. Okay, and what if you want to have like 2 lines in your text, like this? Okay, now when you want a new line in your text, you are going to provide this new line character in your text. Save it, run it. If you want to change your font, you could do it easily with changing family settings. Let's go with dancing script, run it. Okay, I'm going to change to Noto Mono. Run it. And what if you want to have text along this bar? How to do that? Let's go with annotate once more. So now I want to put x on 0, let's say 5. We are going to tweak it later. Y is going to be, let's say 5. Of course, geom text. Label is going to be let's say size is going to be 2, angle. So in order for our text to follow this bar, we have to set angle to 90 degrees. Let's say family is going to be Oswald. It's good font for this purpose. And let's say color white. I think that this is fine. Save it, run it. No, it's not fine. Must be more to the right. Run it again. Okay, I need this text to be bigger. Let's go with 2.5 and a little bit more right. Let's say 63. Run it again. Okay, perfect. So guys, you see that function annotate gives you great power in regards of putting text on your plot. So I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.